Hi, my name is Joseph Anderson, and today I'll be demonstrating the Avalara Kentico connector. I've logged in as a global administrator, so I have some billing and shipping information saved. I've also added two taxable products to the cart. Let's take a look at how the tax was calculated. I've put in a Massachusetts billing address, and before I show you the tax, it does have address verification, and in the event of a typographical error, it will validate it. It will also add the last four digits of a zip code and will make corrections. This will change back to Massachusetts. You'll see here that I get a tax summary that's added to shipping and sales tax. The Avalara Kentico connector will also work with foreign countries. Let's take a look at that. You'll notice that there's no shipping tax. You have granular control over products and shipping that are going to be taxable with the system. Let's take a look at some other countries. The software also supports compound tax scenarios, such as those in Montreal, where you're taxed on top of tax. The real rate is actually 13.9% based on the way it's calculated. However, the official rate is 13.5%. I'll be ending today's demonstration with a look at how nonprofit orders are done. In this case, what I'll do is I'll put in a sample tax ID, the numbers 12345, and I'm just going to show you how this looks. You'll notice here that I have a customer code, which is like a federal tax ID. I put them under my exemptions area. I say that the nonprofit is nonprofit in these states. It'll have no tax in Massachusetts and California in this particular scenario, and I could add other states. What it's doing is it's going to match this customer code and this federal tax ID, and if it does, it'll wipe out the tax. As seen here. Once orders are complete, they'll go into the Avalara admin with details. In this case, this is a tax-exempt order. And that will end my demonstration today. Thank you for watching.